How to find news and offers notifications settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find news and offers notification settings on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer and then click here this settings icon in top corner, and here you will find this one, notifications. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find this one here, extras, and here you will find news, offers and great deals. Now if you want to disable it, you can just click on it and you can enable it again. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.